Hi friends, welcome to another exciting adventure. Today we're going to learn all about birds. Birds are amazing creatures that can fly high in the sky, sing beautiful songs, and come in all kinds of colors. Are you ready? Let's go. What makes a bird? Birds have feathers, wings, and beaks. And guess what? All birds lay eggs. Some birds can fly super fast, and others like to swim. Let's meet some cool birds. Meet the birds. Wow, look at the eagle. Eagles have super sharp eyes and can see their food from far, far away. They are strong and fly really high. Parrots are so cool. They can talk and copy what we say. Can you say, "Hello, parrot"?
Hello, parrot.
Great job. This little bird is a hummingbird. It flaps its wings so fast it looks like it's floating. And guess what? It loves to drink sweet nectar from flowers. Penguins don't fly, but they are great swimmers. They love the cold and waddle around like this. Waddles side to side. Can you waddle like a penguin? Fun bird sounds. Now, let's listen to some bird sounds. Can you guess which bird makes this sound? That's right, it's a songbird. Let's try another. Wow, that's a crow. Good job. Birds help nature by spreading seeds and keeping bugs away. Some even help flowers grow. That's why we must take care of them by keeping their homes safe and not littering. That was so much fun learning about birds today. Which bird was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.